Cooking is an art, and like every artist, you deserve the right tools to express your creativity. This Imarku non-stick frying pan set, a professional-grade trio of 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch cast iron skillets designed to revolutionize your cooking experience. Whether you're a home cook, an aspiring chef, or simply someone who loves whipping up delicious meals for family and friends, this pan set offers unmatched versatility, durability, and style. Why choose the Imarku non-stick frying pan set? This isn't your ordinary frying pan set. The Imarku pans combine the durability of cast iron with modern, non-stick technology, ensuring you can cook with precision and ease. Let's explore what makes this set a game-changer. 1. Professional-grade non-stick surface. At the heart of these pans lies their honeycomb-patterned cooking surface, designed to lock in oil droplets and deliver even heat distribution. The Whitford double-layer water-based non-stick coating makes cooking and cleaning effortless. Say goodbye to sticky messes and hello to healthier meals, as this technology minimizes the need for excess oil while preserving the flavor and nutrients of your food. Imagine frying an egg without a single drop of oil and sliding it effortlessly onto your plate. The Imarku frying pan set makes this dream a reality. 2. Detachable wooden handles for ultimate convenience. The Imarku frying pans feature high-quality acacia wood handles that are detachable for easy storage and versatility. These handles are ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip and are heat-resistant, protecting you from accidental burns. Plus, their stylish design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Have you ever struggled with storing bulky pans? The detachable handles make these skillets compact and perfect for kitchens of all sizes. Number 3. Lightweight durability with a modern twist. Traditional cast iron pans are known for their durability, but can often feel too heavy. The Imarku set resolves this with its thick bottom and thin wall design, offering the perfect balance between sturdiness and lightness. These pans are also scratch-resistant, rust-resistant, and not prone to deformation, ensuring they'll last for years. 4. Versatile cooking options. From frying and sautéing to grilling and steaming, the Imarku non-stick frying pan set can handle it all. Its high compatibility with various cooktops, including gas, ceramic, electric, and halogen stoves, makes it a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're preparing a quick stir-fry or slow-cooking a stew, these pans deliver flawless results every time. Picture yourself effortlessly switching between deep-frying crispy chicken and lightly steaming vegetables, all with one pan set. 5. Thoughtful design for modern kitchens. The Imarku frying pan set isn't just functional, it's also a beautiful addition to any kitchen. The sleek black finish, paired with natural wooden handles, exudes sophistication. Moreover, the pans come exquisitely packaged in a high-end gift box, making them an ideal present for holidays, weddings, or housewarming parties. Perfect for health-conscious cooking. In a world where low-fat, low-calorie diets are increasingly popular, the Imarku frying pan set is your perfect ally. Its non-stick surface requires minimal oil, helping you prepare healthy meals without compromising on taste. Do you love the idea of crispy fried food but hate the calories? These pans let you indulge guilt-free. Hassle-free maintenance. Gone are the days of scrubbing stubborn food residues off your pans. The non-stick surface and dishwasher-safe design make cleaning up after meals quick and painless. Plus, the filterable honeycomb surface ensures no oil stains stick to the bottom, keeping your kitchen spotless. Superior customer support. When you invest in the Imarku non-stick frying pan set, you're also investing in peace of mind. The product comes with a 3-month satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty, ensuring you're fully supported if any issues arise. Have you ever been let down by cookware that failed after a few months? With Imarku, you can trust in their commitment to quality. Final thoughts. The Imarku non-stick frying pan set is more than just cookware, it's an investment in your culinary journey. Whether you're perfecting the art of searing, grilling, or frying, these pans provide the tools you need to succeed. With their durable design, versatile functionality, and health-friendly features, they're a must-have for anyone who loves to cook. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.